In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly incorporate anchors into your website menu and establish an in-page menu. Anchors serve as invisible position markers that allow users to jump directly to important sections on a page, streamlining navigation and enhancing user experience. Let's explore how you can add these anchors to your site's menu and incorporate them into a functional in-page menu. First, let's focus on adding an anchor to your menu. Begin by going to your website editor. Once there, you'll want to locate and click on the site menu. This is typically where the magic begins. Once you have your menu open, click on Manage Menu to start editing the menu items. As you look to the bottom of the panel, you'll find an option to Add Menu Item. This is your go-to button for inserting a new anchor into your menu. Now, the procedure for adding an anchor slightly differs based on the complexity of your menu. If you're working with advanced menus, you'll have to choose Section. For site menus, you'll have a choice between Section or plain anchor. Just trust what your specific menu allows. Once you make your selection, it's time to choose the page where your anchor resides. A drop-down menu should provide a list of available pages. Choose the relevant page, and then from another drop-down menu, select the anchor you wish to link. Finalize your improvements by clicking Done. But what if you want to create a more specialized navigation tool, one that keeps users engaged on your page itself? This is where an in-page menu comes into play. Again, head over to your editor, the control hub of your customization efforts. Look to the left side and you'll see the Add Elements option. Click on it and then select Menu and Anchor. Here, you can pick the In-Page Menu option. Once you've made your selection, you'll need to drag your chosen menu onto the page where you wish to place it. The beauty of this feature is the flexibility it offers. You can strategically position it to optimize user interaction with your content. To further fine-tune your anchor menu's placement and accessibility, consider pinning it to a specific part of the screen. Achieving this is straightforward. Simply right-click your anchor menu and select the Pin to Screen option. This feature provides a sticky menu effect that can keep navigation easily accessible as users scroll through your comprehensive content. And that's how you enrich your site with anchors and an in-page menu to enhance user navigation. Integrating these elements into your website will certainly make user interaction more intuitive. Whether you're making a complex educational blog, an intricate gallery, or an interactive portfolio, these tips allow your visitors to dive directly into the content that matters most to them. Implement these anchors and watch how your site flows more seamlessly than ever.